How to add and use keyframes in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add and use keyframes in Capcut on PC and Mac, so let's dive in. First you have to add any project to your track, and then you simply have to select the project and it's going to give you these options. Now you have this scale option over here, and right next to it you have this diamond over here, and you can see it says add keyframe. You simply have to click this icon over here once you want to add a keyframe. I'm just going to play this video a bit and then I'm going to add the keyframe by clicking this diamond. And now just drag this to like 30 seconds ahead or wherever you want to add the second keyframe, and then click this diamond icon again. And once you just do that, now you just have to zoom in or zoom out the video as much as you want it to, and then you have to just drag this a little bit more, and then you have to add the second keyframe by clicking this add to keyframe. And now you can just zoom the video more if you want, or you can just use this scale icon over here, make it zoom out, and then you have to just drag this a little bit more, and then you have to click this add keyframe again. And now if I play the video, I'll show you how I have added the keyframe over here. And that's how you add a keyframe in Capcut on PC and Mac. You can follow the same process. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.